Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to break down for you how you can create a new meeting on Doodle in 2026. So let us dive into this. Start by navigating to doodle.com, log into your account and navigate to the dashboard. From here, select the type of event you'd like to start. So for example, a one-on-one, click into it. And then on the next page, give your event a title, like for example, I don't know, job interview or something like that, if you have been invited by to such a job interview, right? Or if you want to create one, describe it below, set a location, enable video conferencing, for example, on Google Meet or Zoom. Just make sure, guys, that if you want to invite someone to a video conference, that you navigate to the given video conferencing platform, set a new meeting, like on Google Meet here. Create one, for example, by using one of these options, or you can schedule on Google Calendar. Or if you have been invited, make sure that you're given the invitational link or code here to join it, right? So you may enable video conferencing here. And then, guys, what you want to do is schedule the meeting, right? For example, set a duration, like let's say 1 hour, and then also schedule for a specific day, like I don't know, Tuesday, and then select the time slot, 8 to 9 a.m. and confirm by clicking into create and share here. And that is going to give you the opportunity to invite participants to the given event. Make sure that the link is enabled here. You may copy it to your clipboard there. You would see the overview here. You may edit it. And to share it, guys, use that invitational link here to send it to the participant, and do the same also for the video conferencing platform once the event is about to start, so that your participants may connect with you via the video call, right? That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.